Okay, good morning to everyone. Today I'm going to expose a webpage I did with my group, Valentina Franco, Valeria Serna, and I, Isabel Lacano, of the grade MB. So I'm going to talk about the webpage I did with my group about that is called Conscious Around the World. So here we can see at home some statistics about how has the world population changed over the last 200 years, the problem in undeveloped countries, and we can see another couple of images and the introduction. So if we continue at the problem, we can see some other images. We can see what are the causes and effects of the overpopulation. So here we have the factors that make this problem to continue, and what are the effects that this cause. And here we have more info that if we press the button, then we will see another web page that can be very useful for us. So okay, at statistics we can see some questions, and we can see the graphs that we did about the world population, the Colombian population, the South African population, then Zimbabwe population, the density of Zimbabwe and the density of South Africa. We chose these parts because the place that we have to talk about was South Africa, so we chose these two places. Here we have the timeline of the census in Colombia, and here we have another another graph that shows us how has the population of these places decreased because of different factors, and how in this graph we can see how has their population increased because some other factors. And here we have what's the average of life for people in these places, and how has it increased. Sorry. Another graphs that we found, and the population of South Africa and Zimbabwe. Okay, so continuing, we also have the questions that we had to answer. For example, like the mathematical model. That here we have some formulas, the comparison, and here we have another page that talks about another mathematical model that we talked about. And in solutions, we have how can our group help, and how can we help as one. So we can contribute a lot to this problem, so this way the problem is not going to continue, it's not going to grow as fast as we think, and everything is going to get better. Okay, the videos and the news. We can find some curious facts, and we can find another video that talks about, it's very interesting because it talks about everything around the overpopulation, the myths, how can we all help, some solutions, and other kind of things that are very useful for this topic. And also we have here more what we wrote about what we have learned about this project and what we have discovered about it. So it's basically everything here. So thank you very much for listening, and